Hi everyone. Sorry for the delay. We've had a bit of a nightmare trying to go live this morning. Anyway, how are we all doing? Please give me a like if you can see me and you can hear me okay. Hi. I'm going to jump straight to it because I know we are so late. Disasters in the morning, can you imagine? Just typical. So anyway, welcome to Friday the 27th of March and today's version of Little Learners Live.
It's showing already.
Yeah, can you see your hands? You're going to wave at everyone, say hi. Tell them your name. Who are you? Who? You're going to say it louder so they can hear you.
Go!
Is this Cole? How old are you, Cole? 4. Cole is 4. And I am Natalie, and I'm from East London, Little Learners Waltham Forest. Good to see you all and have you here today with me. As you know, we in the UK, we're all currently on lockdown because of coronavirus. And all us Little Learners franchisees up and down the country, we're really gutted that we've had to all cancel our sessions. It's a really sad time for us. We miss you guys so much. So we all decided to come together and said we were going to... What are you doing? We are going to... All right, that's enough. Come. We decided to come together and we were going to bring you Little Learners live at home and give you a taste of what we do in our sessions. So, all right, come. No silliness. Come. Remember you said you were going to introduce the marks. Who do you want to introduce? So at Little Learners, we have 4... You want Ziggy? Where's Ziggy? Here he is. We have 4 main marks at Little Learners.
I got 2.
So you're going to turn them around and show to the camera who you've got. Bring it closer a bit so everyone can see. Who's that?
Ziggy!
That's Ziggy. That one is Ziggy, our monster mark. And he is made up of, what is he made of? Zigzags. And then who have you got here? Who's that one?
Archie.
You can turn around and show the camera, Archie. This is Archie. He is our rainbow mark and he is made up of arcs. And then we have...
my back too.
You're showing them your back too? Okay. And then we have Lionel. Lionel is our soldier and he is made up of straight lines up and down. And today we are going to introduce Swirlo. Swirlo is our magic mark and she is made up of circles and swirls. And what do magicians say? What's your new favourite word? Do you remember? You were saying it yesterday.
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra! Yay! So because we're doing magic marking today, we're going to say lots and lots of secrets. Lots and lots of abracadabras. Yay!
I'm going to show you abracadabra.
Go on then. Cole's going to just show us abracadabra. Don't turn your back to the camera. Let everyone see.
Abracadabra.
It disappeared. We won. Oh my goodness, Cole's a magician. So anyway, this is what Swirlo looks like. Hope you can see that there. Dodgy lighting in this room. So she's our big pot of magic. There's a big swirl. And these are some of the... I'm going to hold this one. These are some of the numbers and letters and shapes that you can make with Swirlo. So at the start of all my classes... See what happens when you do live with kids. This is real life, folks. Real life. Here you go. What are you going to have? You're going to have ribbons or scarves. So at the start of all my sessions, we like to sing our mark making song. And to the tune of London Bridges Falling Down, we hold our ribbons or our scarves and we sing, can you make a magic mark, magic mark, magic mark? Can you make a magic mark just like Swirlo? Can you make a magic mark just like Swirlo for us? Go on. There you go. Cole. Okay, Cole's not doing any magic marking. So today...
I want it.
Today I am going to show you how to make gloop. Gloop is one of my favourite things to play with because it's messy and it's sticky and it's just fun, and you can use so much fine motor skills playing with gloop. And the gloop we're making today is with cornflour. So come and help me get the big tray. Come and get that big tray over there. I'm going to put it here. That's it. Let's put it here. So let's put this down here now so everyone can see inside our big tray as well.
Get our bowl.
Yeah, get the box of cornflour.
Yeah.
That's right.
There's a cup in there.
There is a cup in there, so I want you to get 2 big cupfuls of cornflour and put it in the middle of the big tray. Okay, you get a bit more. That's it. Pour it in.
And a bit more.
And a bit more, because it wasn't really a full cup. I think we might be able to tip it all in. What do you think?
Yeah,
Let's tip it all in. Brilliant. And now, so you can add food colour to the water before you add the water to the gloop. But Cole wants the gloop to be white today. Don't want any colour in the gloop today?
No.
Okay. Did you want to add a scent to it so it can smell really nice?
Yeah, can we add?
What have you got there? Ah, you got lime. So can you get that big jug of water as well for me?
Yes. We're going to mix it.
Well, what we're going to do...
It's going to make it very sticky.
It is, isn't it? So you get your cup again, and what we need is a cup of water. So no, pour it from the jug into the cup like that. Yeah. So we've got 2 cups of cornflour in here, and to that we're going to add some more. 1 cup of water. And if you want to make your gloop with different colours, you can just add food colour to the water before you add it to the cornflour. Just a bit more. Like that. Wait a second, we're going to add, so Cole wants it to smell nice, so I've got some essential oil here, lime flavour. So we just put a drop of lime in there. Does it smell nice? Does it? Okay.
Now can I?
You can indeed. Pour it a little bit at a time, not all together. And then I've got a wooden spoon here and a spatula. Just a few utensils you can mix it with. Now the beauty of cornflour, which is why it's one of my favourite gloops, is that it's a non-Newtonian substance. And for all the budding scientists out there, that means it's a liquid form as well as a solid form when you play with it. Oh, this smells gorgeous. That lime was a good choice, Coley. Do you want to use this one? And where do we put the other spatula? Here it is. I'm sitting on it. So, give it a good mix. And you'll feel it as you play with it.
Can I have?
That it's quite solid when you use a lot of brute force. And then when you're gentle with it, it's a liquid. It actually doesn't translate on camera, but it's really amazing. I really think your little ones are going to love this.
I want this.
Yep, you can use that one too. Let's keep mixing it.
I'm scraping it.
Are you scraping? That's a really good idea. Do you want some on your hand? Like this, look. So when you scrape it, it's solid. And then you let it drip, and it drips like liquid. It's actually really fun to touch as well because it feels dry. Can't explain it. It's just amazing stuff.
I'm touching.
Look at that. It kind of crumbles when I'm using force. And then it's liquid again. I think we can add a bit more water to this, you know. Shall we? Let's add a drop more water. I don't know if you can see our cat Luna's head in the corner of the camera. She's wondering what is going on here. Do you like that? So when we have this stuff at class, we can practice our marks in it. So we can do some circles like that, or some swirls like swirlo.
Can I put a train in there yet?
And as you can see, Cole wants to play. Look, Luna's even having a go. She's amazed. Luna's trying to eat it, but it's cornflour and water, so it is edible. I think it's the lime scent that's drawing her to this. Luna, go away. You're on Facebook Live. So you can play with kitchen utensils like this wooden spoon. Give it a good stir. Cole's got his toy train in there. Is that your train? Or did you borrow it? I think you might have borrowed that from your cousin Trey, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we mix it here, like that. And here you go. Do you want to put some of these in there as well?
Yeah.
You can put your trucks in there. We can...
Trey has a...
What should we get some of?
Trey has a digger like one of mine.
Does he?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think lots of people have diggers. Everyone loves a digger, do you?
Yeah.
Look, and you can put his big wheels going over here like that. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Mom, can I have a digger, please?
Which one's a digger? Yeah, I never know the name of these things. He's always correcting me. Is that the digger?
No.
What's that one?
Bulldozer.
Okay. Is this the digger?
Yeah.
Okay. See,
Yeah.
bulldozer and digger. Luna, come out of the way, honey. Over here you go. Thank you. What are you doing there?
He's picking up some stuff.
Is he taking it to the quarry?
He needs to pick it up.
Does he?
Yeah.
So I think we might have this tray out all day and do lots of messy mark making and general fun in it. The thing is with messy play is that your child is actually learning as they do it. Can you see me still? I think my computer went on sleep just then. So yeah, the thing with messy play, your child actually learns a lot while they're doing it. Sometimes it doesn't feel like it. You think they're just literally making a mess. But everything they do from a young age, they're learning. They're using their fine motor skills to push the gloop around. They're using brain activity to do different things with it. So, yeah, even when you put your hand in it like that, there you get a sense of the liquid and solid all together. But they use fine motor skills all the time. The fine motor skills make their wrists get ready for holding a pencil and learning to write. So it's all about your child learning how to write through messy play.
I'm rubbing it.
Are you rubbing it? You might have to wash that window later, won't you? So I hope you've had fun with our gloop today. I think this tray is going to be out all day. We're going to be playing with it all day. How have you been surviving the lockdown? Yesterday, Cole had a bit of a meltdown because, what did you want to do? I can't even remember what it was about, but he screamed for about 5 minutes and was really upset. Wanted to go out. It's really hard when they want to go out and you can't take them out. We don't even have a garden. We live in a flat, so we went on the balcony and we screamed at the top of our lungs, and that helped a little bit. So it's really hard to keep them entertained. So I hope these little live videos we're doing are really helpful for you, and you're getting some good ideas of activities and things you can do with your children while we're on lockdown. On Monday, we will have Kate from Lewis and Brighton, and she is going to be showing you lots and lots of fine motor activities for mark making. So that's going to be really fun. Don't forget to tune in at 10 o'clock on Monday. And in the meantime, have lots of fun getting messy with your little one and enjoying as much as you can this difficult time that we're in on lockdown 24/7. You're going to say goodbye to everyone, say thanks for watching. So we're going to wash our hands now. Well, I am. I think Cole's still playing. So another way to get your child, I know the Prime Minister said wash your hands and sing happy birthday. What we like to do is wash our hands to the tune of if you're happy and you know it, wash your hands. If you're happy and you know it, wash your hands. So that's a good one we like to do. That adds to the 22nd time of washing your hands, and it's a another fun activity you can do. Make hand washing fun. Make all these things fun for your child. You're going to put some dinosaurs in now before we say goodbye. Say goodbye, everyone. We hope to see you really soon because we all miss you so much. And thank you for watching today. Bye.